Interpol noon.
So were you appointed representative of the PCTC?
Yes.
Were you appointed representative of the Interpol in the Philippines?
That time, I was appointed, yes.
Sir, can you appoint the representative ng Interpol on the spot? Kasama sa powers yon. If I check with Interpol, so kung today, pwedeng ako representative ng Interpol?
Para pong hindi yata kasama sa function ko yun.
Well, kakasabi lang ho ni Ambassador, kayo daw nag-appoint sa kanya.
Yun po sabi niya eh.
Sinabi ko kanina, I volunteered para ho i-accompany ang former president in behalf of the PCTC.
Okay. Sabi kasi ni Ambassador, siya daw ang representative ng Interpol that day ng Pilipinas.
Yung paalis ho ng pagpunta ho ng The Hague, siya po yung representative talaga ng Interpol.
Yeah.
Kasi siya lang ho yung may connection sa PCTC. Eh.
But I was asking, who appointed him representative of Interpol?
Ano ho yan? Kasama ho yan sa kanyang appointment.
But he said before that day, hindi siya ang representative ng Interpol.
Pero ano ho ito eh? Kasi yung overseeing function niya, oversight function, is, kasi parang may oversight po siya sa PCTC. I think that they took it from there na siya rin po yung responsible for the PCTC.
Okay.
Wala rin sa executive
Kasi
order.
nga ano ho yan eh.
So-
Sabi ko nga,
so when-
magkasama ho dati ang posisyon ng executive director tsaka envoy. Si General Alcantara used to be the special envoy and executive director.
And then the representative ng Interpol.
Oh, Interpol.
Sa pag-uusap namin ng ICC staff na I represent the Interpol NCB Manila.
Pero hindi maliwanag dito sa nakasulat. Government of the Republic of the Philippines.
It's part of the government, ma'am.